now after you cut them, they should look like this. And I wanted you guys to see them before I actually pulled the pieces off. So now that I'm pulling the pieces off, I'm going to carefully make sure it stays put. Now, a lot of times your box is only going to, your lid is only going to be fitting one way, okay? So now I want to make sure my cuts are accurate, and I want to make sure that they are right, still about the 1/8 of an inch. And if I have to adjust, I can. So I see that I still have that space, so I cut it correctly. Now what I'm going to do is you're going to essentially slip and score and reinforce your seams. I'm going to score both of those 45s, and then I'm going to add my slip. On both pieces. Okay, and I'm going to kind of push it together. And now you should always use, you don't want to use those pieces, they're somewhat dried out. I have soft clay here that you guys are going to have to kind of get out of the bag, the box, and I'm going to roll a reinforcement to put right on top of that seam that I'm trying to close. And I'm going to push that in, okay? Using my modeling tool, you know, I don't want to change the thickness of this, so you've got to carefully blend that in. And I'm going to kind of rotate it upwards. And turn it on the side and make sure that's all closed. And reinforce that. And you're going to do that on all 4 corners. And then especially get that stiff blending brush in there and that inside. This is where those seams like to open up, so you want to make sure you get in that corner and reinforce that.